Yo. Alright, for today's video, we are gonna find out if we can make money online with Google Docs. So, according to this particular video, we will be able to make $7 per Google Documents being downloaded or $70 per hour. You know what? That sounds good to me. And I'm gonna find out. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this.
Step number one, if you want to make $7 per Google document, is to sign up to this free website that pays complete beginners all over the world. And in order to actually make money with this side hustle, you don't need to sell any products, you don't need to have a website, you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to build any social media accounts, and you don't need to show your face. However, you also need to keep in mind that this will not make you a multi-millionaire. This is just an easy side hustle idea that I tested, and it works for not just for me, but for hundreds of people around the world. And let's begin with step number one. Now, first things first, you can see that this platform so far paid out $765,000 to their users. And if you go to the proof of payments, you can see hundreds, if not thousands of people being paid every single day, anywhere from $1 all the way to $67 through PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, and even Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are also available for cash out at this platform. Now, first things first, for the step number one, before we come back to this platform, you just want to open up Google Document. You can either just go to google.new or docs.google.com and just open up a blank, brand new Google document.
Alright, so I'm at Google Docs. I've opened a new document, and apparently this is the place where we'll be earning $7 per document if you get downloads from here.
But the reason you want to use this website is because it's actually going to pay you when someone downloads your files through your link. You can keep your files private, or you can set them public, and you can then get paid as soon as someone downloads one of those files from you. So you can scroll all the way down and just click on Make Money, and that's going to show you that you can upload up to 10 gigabytes for each file, and it's going to show you that you can get paid up to $7 per 1,000 downloads depending on the downloader location. So it depends on which country they're coming from. If they are from Group A, which are US, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom, which are top tier countries, you're going to be paid $7 when they download your files and $3 for pretty much all other countries. So all you gotta do for now is just click on the sign up button over here, choose a username, and as you create your account, this is how the dashboard is going to look like.
Alright, so we're at this website called File Upload. So this is a website where if anyone downloads our document, we will apparently get paid $7 per document. So over here, as you can see, as I scroll down, over here at this section for the pay per download program, the PPD, it says that for the Group A, you'll be able to earn $7 per download if you are from the USA, UK, or Canada. For Group B, it's $3, which is, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and for Group C, it's $3 as well for all of the other countries. So for me personally, unfortunately, I'm from Group C. I'm from all other countries. So I guess for me, if anybody downloads my file, I'll just get $3. But for the people who are from US, UK, or Canada, you guys will be getting $7 per download. So good for you guys. So if any one of you who are from the Group A country, please let me know if you did this method and if you actually get $7 per download. Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below to know whether this is legit or not. And of course, I'll definitely let you guys know if I get $3 per download. Alright, so over here we have like various different payment methods, cryptocurrencies or PayPal, I guess. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna register an account and I will get back to you guys. Alright, I'm done registering and I'm gonna resume with the video.
Next thing you obviously want to do is you want to create a valuable piece of Google documents so that people would find it useful to download it from you and from your file upload account so that you can actually get paid again and again. For example, if you search for dropshipping courses, because for example, this guy is giving it away, a 7 hours long course. He gave it away for completely free on YouTube. Here's, for example, a full Photoshop course. You can search for full photography courses, full video editing courses. You can search for full cooking courses, any topic you can think about. You just want to gather as many different free courses that are actually valuable, that are actually providing value and not upselling another course or whatsoever, but that are really, really free. And then you want to copy the URL of those videos, and you can go to Google Google and search for YouTube thumbnail downloader. I personally use YouTube thumbnail grabber. You can use anything else. It's like all of them are completely free. You just needed to download the thumbnail of that YouTube video, the image. And now that you have at least like 5 or 10 of them, you want to go back to your Google document and you just want to list them out for free. So I can say, for example, this first one is going to be a free YouTube automation course. And then you want to upload that image. Just click on insert, click on image, upload from computer. And now that it's uploaded like this, you want to highlight and make this like a title. And then below that, you can just paste a link and you can say, click here to watch for free. And again, you will just copy the link of that YouTube video and you want to highlight your text, insert the link to a YouTube video, and you can even bold this so it stands out. But then below that, you just want to continue adding free courses. In this case, that's going to be a free drop shipping course is going to be next. But the point is, you just want to create some document, Google document, that has at least 5 or 10 different things that you're giving away for completely free, so someone can really find this useful. If someone wants to start an online business and you list out all of these different free courses in a Google document, then they're going to find that valuable. That's at least a few dollars worth, but they can download it for free.
Alright, so for the next step, what we have to do now is to create the Google documents in order for us to upload it to the what is it called again? fileupload.com, right? So that's where we will get paid $3 or $7 depending on your country. So what the document is about is basically we're just like curating a PDF with all of the different pretty much like make money online courses. So what he suggested is that you can either do like dropshipping courses, you can do Photoshop courses, or you can do something like affiliate marketing courses. You know, the list goes on and on. Just anything that is regarding about making money online. So that's the main thing. We have to download the thumbnail first. So we're gonna basically copy the link of the videos, and then we're gonna go to this website, which is called youtube-thumbnaildownloader.com. We just have to copy the video link over here and then just paste it, and we will get the thumbnail and we can download it. So for the first one, it will be the dropshipping course over here, and I've included the link over here. As you can see, this is the link. And then the second one, it will be affiliate marketing course. Same thing, I've applied the link as well over here. And then it is the copywriting course. Same thing, the link. Fourth will be the social media marketing agency course. And then how to sell digital products course. Finally, Etsy course. So this is my PDF. This is my Google Docs. I'm gonna go ahead and save this Google document as a PDF. And I'm gonna name it as How to Make Money Online 2024. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do.
Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go back to file-upload.com to actually upload that document. So you will just upload that. You can give it a brief description if you want and click on Start Upload, and it's going to upload here, and you will get your special download link. So if someone downloads this document through my link, then I'm going to be paid $7 per 1,000 downloads.
Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and upload the file. So we're going to go to File-Upload, and we're gonna click over here, upload files. Alright, and then what we're gonna do next, we are gonna have to upload the file. Simple as that. Alright, so as you can see, I've already uploaded the file, and I've added a short description of this. Your first step to online wealth starts here. Okay, so I'm gonna check the public box over here, and I'm just gonna start upload right here. Alright, here we are. Done. We've uploaded the file, and that's it. That's it. That's all there is to it. So I just gotta hope for $3. That's for me, because I'm not from the Group A category. So like I said, if you're from Group A, you'll most likely be getting $7. And if you guys are getting $7, please let us know if it's really true or not. But for me, if I'm getting $3, I'll be sure to let you guys know. So over here, this is the link. So if anyone clicks this link, apparently I will get $3, right? But the question is, do they have to pay? Like the ones who download from my link, right? I'm not too sure whether do they have to pay money to get my link. So I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna attempt to download it. So wish me luck. Alright, so I'm here. This is the link that I've generated, and I'm over here now. So alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click free download over here. Oh, okay, so apparently you have to wait over here. It's counting down. I have to prove that I'm human. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's this? After I've clicked the I'm human button, the capture, right? It brought me to this page. So this website is blocked due to phishing. So I guess it was redirecting us to somewhere else. That's not good news. That's not a good sign. I'll try again over here. Nope, once again. We're being denied. Can I just create the download link? Nope, once again. Alright, so even when I'm over here, if I were to just click on the PDF itself, right? It's the same thing. The same thing. I'm gonna try once more over here to solve the capture. Nope. Once again, can't access. I don't know if this is a safe site or not. I mean, maybe I would list the link at the comments section down below, and if you guys download it, if you guys manage to download it, please let me know if there's any form of actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna do it. Why? Because obviously the link is harmful. So obviously I'm not gonna give you guys any form of viruses. I'm not gonna be promoting a link that has virus. So it's better not. Better not. Better be safe than sorry. So anyway, for the rest of the video, right, the guy just mentions about different ways, different methods, different websites to promote our link. So for example, websites such as Reddit, make money online related threads specifically, or Meta, so make money online groups over there, and then just promote your link over there. So that's another method. So that's what he is trying to tell us. So I mean, I'm not going to be promoting a link that has virus inside. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good at all. So you know what, guys, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna carry on doing it, because for the sole reason being that this has some form of virus. I do not want to promote anything bad, anything harmful to anyone. So you know what, that's it. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop this method right here, and I'm just gonna go out and say that, you know, probably doesn't work. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and find other methods once again, and I'll be sure to share with you guys about the methods. Alright, so subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!